Hello and welcome back with the new digraph, and the digraph is you. And first of all, I'm going to put this digraph on the white chart paper, and before to learn the digraph we will watch the video, and the video is here. Okay, so the action of you is very simple. You have to point the people around you like you. This is the simple action of you. So what is this? This is you. But these are two different sounds. These are two different letters, but we will put them together. The sounds become you. Okay, so let's have a look some words. The first word is do. Do. You. Do. D. You. Do. D. You. Do. D. You. Do. And how many sounds in a do word? Two sounds. D. You. D. You. Do. And two sounds in a do word. The next word is clue. You. Clue. You. Clue. And how many sounds in a clue word? Three sounds. You. Clue. You. Clue. You. Clue. Clue. Do. Clue. The next word is Q. You. Q. You. Q. You. Q. And how many sound in a Q word? Two sound. You. Q. You. Q. How many sound? Two sounds. Q. The next word is blue. Blue. You. Blue. You. Blue. You. Blue. You. Blue. And how many sounds in a blue word? Three sounds. You. Blue. You. Blue. Three sounds in a blue word. You. Blue. The next word is true. You. True. You. True. You. True. And how many sounds in a true word? You. True. Three sounds. You. True. You. True. You. True. And the last word is glue. You. Glue. You. Glue. You. Glue. And how many sounds in a glue word? Three sounds. You. Glue. You. Glue. You. Glue. How many sounds in a glue word? Three sounds. How many sounds? Three sounds. And again, I'm gonna put this glue on the chart paper. So what is this? This is you. Do. D. You. Do. You. Clue. You. Q. You. Blue. You. True. You. Glue. You. Glue. You. Glue. So this is all about the U sounds. Hope so you enjoyed my lesson. Again, Allah Hafiz.